Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 8, communities and festivals of social studies. In this lesson we will learn communities. Do you know communities? There are different communities in India. But before that, you should know what is the meaning of communities. It means a place where same group of people live together. Communities means where same group of people live together. We can call it as communities. In India, there are many communities.
Let's get more information about India. In India, we find different communities. Our India is known as a great country. Why it is known as a great country? Because India is the only one country which has different communities, different religious communities. Religious communities means the people who are of same group, they live together. India is a country of diversity. Though it is country of diversity, there is unity also. Means everyone is different. All the people are different and all the communities are also different. Then also there is unity. And these people are different in food habits, in dressing styles, even in cultures. Their languages are also different. Even they all live together. There are various religious communities. Means there are many people from different religious communities. For example, some people are from Islam community. Some are from Marathi community. Some are from Christian community. And many more communities live together. I hope you all understand Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Sikhism, Islam, Jainism and Zoroastrianism. Means how you will understand this Hinduism, such type of name? Hinduism means people from Hindu community, Hindu religion. Buddhism means people from Buddha community. Christianity means people from Christian community. Sikhism means people from Sikh community. Islam means people from Islam community. Jain community means Jainism. And Zoroastrian community means Zoroastrianism. Means our India is great. Look at, so many different communities live together and we all live in unity. I hope you all understood the meaning of communities and which different communities live in India. Thank you. Thank you, students.